Bianca, ipinatawag kita rito para sa isang importanteng balita.
Ano po yun, kuya?
Isang balita mula sa outside world.
Apa.
Para sa balitang ito, maririnig mo mismo sa iyong nanay.
Apa.
Hi, darling. Baby. Hello?
Mommy? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you? I miss you, baby.
I miss you.
I miss you a lot. I've been thinking about you a lot. Seriously. I miss you a lot, darling.
I miss you, Mommy.
Ganito. Kung ano man ang ibabalita ko sa'yo, I want you to use this to fuel your dreams and love God even more, okay?
What is it, Mommy?
So just hear me out for a while because what I'm about to tell you is not really easy. Pero alam ko namang strong ka. Kilala kita eh.
I know.
So, it's about Peach, okay? It's about Peach. So, you know naman yung seizures niya, right? Medyo naging unstable the past few months. Nakaraan. And then, yesterday, so, hindi na kaya na ni Peach, baby. So, but you know what? I really did everything, baby. To the point na ako na yung nag-CPR sa kanya. I did everything. Baby, I did everything. Baby, I love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Magpaalam ka na, Bianca.
Bye, Mommy. I love you.
Love you. I love you.
Para damayan ang emosyonal na si Bianca, ipinatawag ni Kuya si Esnir.